So in this video we're going to have a look at media transportation on our Canon Colorado M series printer. Now I've just done my calibration on this machine and I want to advance the material forward a little bit. So to do that I'm going to go to Output, I'm going to go to Media Transport, I'm going to go Manual Control, Forwards, I'm going to press Start. So now that's going to start moving my material through my machine and it will then continue to take up as well. Just like that. When I'm happy, I can press stop and that's going to stop the movement of the material. Now I could also do it by a distance and I can set, let's say, a meter, and I can do it by that distance, go forwards or backwards. Then I can sort my output configuration as well. So wind the output. So which way do I want this take up to run? Do I want it to go this way over or do I want it to go print side in? I can go inside, outside, and I can say yes to winding, no to winding, and also I can add an auto cut in there as well to automatically slice it off. Press close in there. Now if I do want to cut the material, I'm going to press cut in here. That's then going to feed my material through my machine. It's then also going to lift my tension bar all the way back up to the top for me. Just like that. And then we wait for the machine to tell us what to do. So it's now telling us to remove the tension bar. So I'm going to lift this bar up here. I'm going to remove this out by lifting it up. And then I'm going to put this back in its holder at the bottom of the machine. Just like that. Now I've done it, I'm going to press completed. So I'm going to pull my material tight and then it's going to slice it off inside the machine for me. And then it's going to wind my material onto my take-up roll for me, so it's ready to tape up and take off the roll. So that's our media transport options, our take-up options, and cutting our material on our Canon Colorado M series printer.